down. Say mu bill no kra no mu sande subampedi papa jaji etu chema why ade man shot dead at Lower Menya over power disconnection protest. A man believed to be in his early 20s was shot dead at Hoye, a suburb of Krobo, Dumasi, in the Lower Menya municipality in the eastern region yesterday, when locals protesting a disconnection exercise by the PDS clashed with the police. At least 3 others were injured. We ended not Michael Eboye.
Minister lawyer Morrison Power Ewo Ahumano.
My dear, same way here. Okay, Cobrama, Yeni lawyer couldn't come on. Lawyer Mache.
Yaminia, which I would give myself on Yano Pay.
Yena, Yajo, son of Pesu, dear, that's say, and Yanon, so what years to come up.
That's it.
Yeah, call Stone Boy and Semi won and one shatter, yes, Stone Boy and shatter. They see and Raya the one more aqua court, ama Yama Warnum bill. 50,000 and set year bond your mood to be of good behavior. Bill Monsieur Timima said, Wood on Sasha Bond as our own.
Oh, I think, sir, part of the bail condition.
Okay.
Into no court to Papa say, Yamamu Billy. Munkola mukoshe yese mukoda subapedi enyese mu bill na makwa repeat nyamu yeye no ana makoye basabasa enyesa end bill no ye betwum na makoda abanku mu kosita be bi asabewie it I think say one of the big condition is say ko na mukoda subapedi bra ye koso ejuma asem no.
Oh, I see. Now, and she said, a bassa, a bribia, woman court will be as a bill conditions here and a be prevail, and I say, a bit to me as a son.
They decide a bit prevail because the person makes sure say, or behave well. And I think say, a yasudi momo because after this bill condition, no, only now could it trust them, and now could social media so could cancel phone, and now could Niamo Mukus Omuye, Ubi Session, Awali. They yebe monitor the papa and they still born ya monitor until the moment that omo misbehavior and omo show suben be say omo shuru and omo yeba ano and then they say prosecutor the backward no anymore yebe to me I omo bill dey from say no ya remind omo so say it just be.
Oh, I see, but what can be say I say omukotina social media so koke kansema. And to be of good behavior no social media comments and postings ni adi nyina aka ho.
Yeah, but because comments say a provoke when they say the public peace. Who comment be a ebe ma obi buefu and I say comment be a kasantwe and now comment be a who incite the public and now who critique some kind of behavior ebe man for and we say when a champion or the moshe when the Ethiopia those comments in the ano it can call this interested in monitoring very very important.
Oh, I see. One comment so now or yeah nesna but no comment and I made me picture at all. Na picture no moon and sem no kasa but on no abejan said say Instagram or say caption it and also yeah good behavior. In fact, as a lawyer no say court say be of good behavior there any there in the command and say you bundled to be of good behavior and there you expect a few.
Yeah, you bundled to good behavior. Good behavior they say any kind men ko bu mraso.
Okay.
The best was say mra wo gele nya umbuso. De to su mienu dan su papa pepti. So papa nya se ni su papa. We Bible mun sema your values.
Okay.
Your nyama expect there were good values and morals. And about quarter back let's say the kind men could be at the beginning good behavior. 2 men ko tumuna 3 men could be at them.
Okay.
4 men could be to for them. If I should come men ko bo and where was them.
Wow.
Brownish in your account.
Hey.
It into shit. No, because you say, Jack. Oh, never money bill. No, she no. Because a ship ya need 2000 level.
Eshenu na tiamra anase because any to trust them echo it is a me no major na say no de emra ni ntia good behavior ebem
Unum doctor ne konum legally. Doctor me num legally. Which does not konum the public place. Okay. Shall one corner. Say the bush shall bedroom now unum dot and area ya designated for job smoking legal.
Okay.
But also tampe me pass a tampe almost shit tampe. If people can shit the person social media and I'm okay very well. So I want to go to some time ago. Elbow with the fee po. Not so or the threatening Davido Mokai. And maybe or pull side Ekoyini Bema. Salimania and you could behavior.
Oh, I see.
Salimania you could behavior. You monitor or behavior in terms of your sexual behavior. Behavior home. The way I treat you relationship behavior. For example, Uko Boba a bad behavior. Uko did attempt a bad behavior. Uko shit a bad behavior. Uko you to trust him, good behavior, dear. Good behavior, the ordinary standard, they remember be a can't on your angel, more on your body that be. One day, but to be our back. Behavior be intentional, say, your bundles of good behavior. Now, I was shit. Now, we tell social media, so now did you attempt a bad behavior? Those good behavior in Yano, courts will share what the reasonable man can contain.
Oh, okay. Enti so omuni ma dia wabobo so yi eniama esese ni nyina no omo hwe se omo be fall with the enye sa won betimi ni court class enya
obidi there's no supposed to Sheno mo amasa say ye atemidie ye incite fans don't be good by fans against other.
Hello, lawyer.
Yes, me yaba.
Nia wo kan na che ni nyina ya anti efi se wa homa na ho ana ati nkaka.
Okay. See, na me pa tell say uko ye bi na ye de sa nyama no ko chire court na. Obe recently be board. Behavior na dey. Ye nyanga na ye the normal ordinary reasonable behavior you need to wait here will be done here small money you can't some angel you can't say money but to be
but let's say our boss dey very top say I say afa dey ani omo hwe omo da mu nko a mbie enkasa nidi udidi kura wa anya kefo didi han udidi han a e be ka say da bi wa nidi ye wan da good behavior
baby you nidi pofa entampoa. If you ever put a Zambia, what social media now can say, shut down movement, here they did it, by the comedy, a bad behavior.
Hey, lawyer.
I saw this will be this anymore. This in Yakamu. This at this moment, they are banned from this each other. And a good behavior, no? And you know, Omutu dear, can I find any show?
Hey, lawyer. Wait a minute, I my covenant Bessie. Who said the old candidate? Who said, Casso, your money bill, your money is assured to where I say your bundle be of good behavior. Can you find a trust of good behavior? But after your baby out there, dear, you could dear nurse and yet, one move a jar home, make crown on one.
There be but Ombe Jai, Sebi, to trust them for the meantime, Ombe Jai, Basa, Yombe Jai, San Nemo Moya. Magana for bomb with Jones, be jai decent because the beer do not. Who yet the bond be out to say, there is Papa baby. Getting us and number one says, Tatawali, I started to Yaminum. What really the first a gospel song? And to be sure, say. Satawale and check one jana or prophet one.
Good behavior and be now what the good behavior di, but obia provoke you and also wow can so I can say there is a limit to what the reasonable man can take. Enti any pano nabotre no epem baby ti se wono de woda good behavior di na ebia enye so omo mienu ntem but wo fans won say ya no wo fans nso kan wo na obia kan bibia kire no social media na akoyi na no ana bibia no so
ni mia ka obi wo se sha no o sa hye court enum and the court monitor obi pubukwai men ko jijiso Why should I know what time for them say they are bonded for big behavior? It's your person, yeah, anything that too slow boy, was saying to do so. I shall tell by Naka, so no, that good behavior, and all discipline, no, go through. Cristiano, 7 shall tell the crowd, we bought some members of the report to police station.
And Tina, Sabon, when a mount can mouse who boom fool.
Yes, I am a self control before. They do it as self control before.
Okay. Omo management so enti ebi o abesha no krata ni bu anase wo follow omo Instagram ma niam bi omo de betoto no ebi na omo fan page na omo de ato anase obesha ni se enye omo ankasa as persons and de ato ho se ebi na omo managers ni de ato ho sa omo bond of good behavior eno so kan ho anase by virtue so omo din da so anase nkrofo ne yama omo din mu no
I will say Stombo good behavior and cover the management team. If the management is someone to be managing, now it's good behavior. That's their rule. The minimum except for the management is someone good behavior manager. What you say? Almost have to call.
But the American is let's say that Obia provoke shatter. Say or react here. One who say me I'm bonded to be of good behavior. And he won't mean no. Then now fe Obia be react. Now I trust yes say shatter fan. And SM and I say be management from SM management and also ebeko etiano and just because of by way of association with them.
There be a coach, okay. Only a good behavior and a coach at the pan a shutter in person. And it goes with the management because the management be piano, it's a shutter and also. And I shutter by piano, it is a manager to sign and also. But the fan base here, satellite quality cannot be held responsible. They say, you know, evidence say, oh no, inside Tomo, and no AD or more, and no bet Tomo, or Bomo, encourage Tomo. And now Oshom, for say, Oshom someone yet. But once Oshom someone yet, no, self shut up and be bia of Nakasa na Manning Bidi. And you know, good days already. You are looking at Shatawale and his management. So any stone boy and the management say, okay, manager now within this time, difficult period of that in a career, no, and almost kind of try, no, more money be in my court, no, and you believe him.
Okay, I'm for say enke was court Ukraine organizers of the event and so account be said one to breach security. What do you saying?
Oh, they be to make count. What Obi betwa yeni Obi or corporate can be able to you organizers no. Where civil. What do I say? Obi to organizers for negligence. Say more organizing program like this. Now, man, fact enough security measures have to place a yakoya. Media near or 2 years and to those who attended the function can sue the organizers. Okay. And then even the security campus you can, but normally the organizers so you can sue them for negligence.
Lawyer no pay. I don't pay Adekye Nsroma that's pa. Lawyer Morris Ampao, private legal practitioner and our church na kwabra sa bondo na nya trasa.
Ba me nim da.
Ene ne wo hu.
Esua dia no pay o.
Sa o.
Se bondo de ma wo se na die.
Say there so who say fan say one koda adamon punachi ne say o ya bondo say good behavior there. E easy. Yeah, you really need no I can keke. Yes. So on the suban pedi. And watch us say can suban pa the eye suban pa no.
So it entails a lot.
What been what say? And one no aka no.
Near the one ever born down to obi so.
And yeah, obi hwe yo ne afa born down to say so e be SMP.
O picture kwa na o keke kura. Na he odi do say.
O dey pimo kwiti a.
Yeah.
Asembeto yon ko hene
hey yo obaya Rale busafo ye hyasia na graphic na ye de hyasia ene anopai na kratafa etoso edu ensia no na wobo amane wo asia era jemensa ono na oye isi commissioner wo oman mu no na wo chire mu ese obaya want to go up from.
It's a
Mensa Edia Tuja, I watch say dear. Said the go for Canada be our TV or Timis say, so no to your baby, we are a boom, Ghana ha. And then over to the Yabem now, if I saw a cry, no benya Edia Fiso, say, oh, we are a baby moon, oh my Ganamu, and for so being so on ye, now you put that, say, oh, we are a baby moon. Now, I'm off 14 years. Sabibe dine pie, be me and no man ye pa. Ghana because we about to move the about 2020 no. Enye adia chesera baira abewajo. Omu emiem de pa. Na etimi abo se de be ya bibia eso ebekoso yiem Ghana ha nti de ngofo ke kan ne bebre de wo mo echira wo mo enya entehwe je mo kan ebia mo kan wa keke omu nim de matem omu nim de mahusu a ama na gina so a mo kasa asem no na back page no graphic mu no na wo ba mane asema pani abedi chire ede atudwa wo chese okon de fi ahodo na mpempi no se de ya na ho no masia ye no ho abo apeso dodo enya kura bi mu chese ahochire mu nam na ewom se ebinu ho no ma wo mo aye bone de na so ni na mu no eno enche se ye form enko hye babia ase ayakayaka de bi na ye wo mo etize no behwe na aban eto na mo se de be ye betimi aboa na ebema bibia koso ye ewo de fie ho no na ni kire ye kumasem ekohwe central prison se de city eno achi ni nsuo bi so no otwa homam se nsu kroje omunye bi enom na etimi emwa National Peace Council for enso so e de atu edwa awaka e de ache IGP Senator Roma wonhwe na ukọ eye chirepone ene potemu aka saboba ne ade no wotimi ma asomdwe emra pa sanse se police for nyina mo na so anya adwuma edenia ahwe ya na asomdwe ye pe o memu no nya no sabod member bako e de ema NPC Most Reverend Vincent Boyna ono eno de sa ensemwi e de to edwa and so graphic e de aba obaya you have
afema yenye directors ne de no collapse of 7 banks 50 directors owners face court. The receivers of the 7 failed banks have started legal proceedings against 50 directors and shareholders for the roles in the collapse of the banks. The banks are Unibank Ghana Limited, Unibank Ghana Limited, the UT Bank, the Capital Bank, the Royal Bank, the Construction Bank, the Beige Bank, and the Heritage Bank. A special investigative team set up to probe financial crimes in the country has also referred many dockets on some members of staff of the defunct banks to the AG's office for advice and possible prosecution. The receivers, Mr. Ni Amano Dodo of KPMG, Vesh Ashiagbo, and Eric Nana Nipa, both of PricewaterhouseCoopers, are also pursuing 31,000 customers of the failed banks to recover more than 10 billion Ghana cedis in loans and advances.
Ebusia front page horum na so na obo amanie said de omafo yi na ni brebi atwa mu no Ghana banking sector no aban na yen sache kakra omu prepare mu said de betimi aboa na omafo sika no kira na obetimi abo ho eban eno na wo kire mu a directors be adunum ense penifo awodo bi na mo da bank CB ano no ye ka say de safo de nyina no emram ene wo mo eba be din nyina ene se o kire mu ebinum e wo ho no ma na enam wo mo ensasom ena emma esa banks yi ehwiase enti wahwase a wo ye ho adwuma banks yi bia wo mo mpanifo bi gina manim Unibank Foka ho UT Bank Capital Bank Royal Bank Construction Bank Beige Bank and Office Heritage Bank enom ena wo special investigative team a wo pa wo mo so mo enhwesa esemi mu no eno che docket ahodo ri na no wabo ekire na wo de hakoma Attorney General say ja wo advice wo mo na ekombefa so betimi tu ho anamo no wo mo aye ne sa why story back
the Chronicle the Bokratano Asana Rumiaba bring back the soldiers. Illegal miners have taken over our concession. When we can say Prince Oshe me but when you bosh any so sa Parks and Garden 2.2 acre land.
Sorry, no come see me bisa mu.
Ye be ye china ye boss no sa na bribi editor ayesa story no and Ansana Ghanaian Times e de eba
Parks and Garden zimu ya mo to kwa mobo masa kwa jo
masa sini nyina ama yesi enua na wo so enua wa different species of flowers ni nyina be yesi 4,000 plus etutu ni
ya wan na yesi asase no
well
oba ya bring to me
yampeni fo e bebisa wo
oba kan brofo kakra
so won te brofo na men kan brofo nkyere wo dia but wa be ya wo te twasa akoyi die Wa unti brofo
na de.
Sa. Oh, na say we dey number 3.
Nanka ebere ni nti.
Number 3 brofo.
Ebere nti dia mame fa ngom ntem.
Fa wom ni yako.
Right ebusuafo chronicle na ye de so kwesi Alfred Adams. Takra de no de story we e de aba. Wo chese mining companies bi a wo mo wo eye omamu super. E chese wo mo kawa en ye wuro e dia fa wo mabeti. Kawa so me he en ye wuro afo abeti. Yese ama wo mo tete. Na o maka e de acho nwafo kwago so nwa kire me se akora Roma honorable e de go so ju hu ya na ye concession ya ma ye se nyoso adwuma ena say de illegal miners no agini nyina ye te ho waso na opa na ye boy yam de ye no honorable ye bre ka bi ma ye wate esere wa boa ye na o mo kire se akabe ye mpo ankoba ya asrafo amre bi na kaja mo wo site awodo no agensa fa wo mo nyina e fa wo emra ya so be ka ya cabinet e be kasa ne yi sa asrafo nyina e de o mu efiri honom eno ena say the mining companies say hey yanti bi o mo sanfa asrafo no e fa wo emre bio na say de ye bre pa eno ena onwafo kokwaso ma chemeka so okay Roma cabinet en the siege na say asrafo no wo mo enko eni say no say illegal miners no e ha mo dia eni afa na mekora me den kra mo dama me no akoto cabinet anim na me ankasa me ntimi fa me pe enka say asrafo de samra me he me sremo a eto den kra na ebekọ etiwe e yasema oba ya eno so ba na busa say na task force no e he fa na ya wo mo enso so e wo
say o task force asem suro be ma
ena asem suro abodu say
nyentia asrafo ne dia wo mo ko ba bia wo ye din o Kwabena but prisoners e were concerns so mo dia to vice enim ti yen fair no ansa yen kan kire edi a oboabo no akware se on hwe na me de on kope ne kaftan na ne shoe no nya dede na wo ye wo hon yen ko page 8 chronicle prisoners appeal for amnesty. Prisoners at the Kumasi Central Prisons have appealed to Nana Danko Akufo-Addo through Vice President Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to exercise his presidential powers and grant some of them amnesty. According to them, prison inmates across Ghana have not enjoyed amnesty from any head of state since 2017. Even though some of their colleagues are old and sick, they have also expressed worry about their meager one cedi 80 pesos daily feeding fee. A spokesman whose name the Chronicle withheld made the appeal on behalf of his colleagues when the vice president commissioned the water system at the Kumasi Central Prisons. They are working kayen.
You Center spread nimuno and Richard Usu echa Kumasi edesori ediaba said oko Kumasi Central Prisons are one more done the few honum one more aka edi achema penny adodankwa enam the vice so Dr. Bawumia send the doc what are boy so what you mudia my so no every by 2017 work on amnesty no enya bi wa ya hasa penifo bi ho no mo da prison ho no ma ebi mu ye nkokrafo a mo sa yare mo da wa che etesere wa fa enkrato yi ekoma omampani doc you so be you what are Roma ba ye kwase de o se ne ya ye e wo ne de fia no ama ye kra ye ho kra sepe eti ukwe no doctor fa enkra no ekokoma empanifo se mampani what are Roma hwe na eboa ye na ama amnesty kakra ke betam bibia so aye kama oba ye ba be kode a ma me fa ngitim kakra fa ntwim midi etwuma na eye anyuntufo kwa ye frem se keche alogun tugui o se medase omo chese mre bi atwam oba ya na kakra bi na ka ntokwa ye sidinya ne se na omo ko e wo ba ho mrante mienu no na oba ba ko no ko e ma mo ha adwen
o ka say
Emabinum.
O can say.
But you want me to.
O can say.
Emabinum.
O can say.
Emabinum.
O can say.
Emabinum.
What's a map match idea? Me be show from Chesai. Mema dia ngageni.
Uji.
Mema dia ngageni. O say so se oba no na be se oba.
Ma uji. Me say emabinum.
There be. O say mabi onye me. O say oba no na ko se omo.
Oba kro. Se wo we.
Mo so mu diebo.
Na keche.
Mo kamo na nto so.
Tentini tietia wo wa. One so mu nyina e ba ko.
Onu ni na on de okwa e do
service obi
brother na ya wada me krada me ma menye ma ya bosuo ni ma no pe HSA
group ba ku ni wo but you want to service the two of them
kwabena fa paper na me na menye story ni ma keche se omo ankasa no omo ahu omo ho se menua yere na menua girl ye me girl and womu call ye be ma mienu kope ma baako sa subampone na ya na mo kope nipa unim se o wadan for girl unia girl na wo kope no no e mema no enu so e ka say
mommy me na me translation no
What a prince of Bimpe, make a bro. Make a bro for Namu, so that you haven't a bro. Make a bro.
I'm going to be Dasi.
And you catch us say, girl, no, never pay one hour, 1 year, no,
Adekye breaky wo.
Enyo ba no na se omonko ana so ba na se omonko. Na mema ne me enyo so mo so mo ye enuafo no mko chesi wange.
Yes o ma o. Yeah. Obaya. Enyo.
Kanina na ka talk am to ni di nyame nti. Ana se layo ana se nyame be ye na de talk am to ni di say. Yes o ma.
So be man ko head dey ro wa o.
O say.
Oh yes.
O say
ma ko e be man na head man ko for so me ko head here.
Enyi ji sama wo de wo kan nyina mu ni say. Oba bia nsori nka nche be ma se be ma mempre wo nkwaje hu adwuma. Ana Romeo. Oba bia sori ya ka cho ma me se wa ka cho se Romeo me nya wo nkwaje hu adwuma.
Dabi. This is it. Let's say Bundi was quite giddy ho. Nkwaje su de ejina obi aso. Na mo de ye ba.
Kwa nai. Say achichide penimoja dodo a.
So the film man.
Se wa wate ase se.
This is what.
E ma ni nu aka mo ni.
Nje be nne.
Enye mo amu jejirije.
Mon pere che se banking sector just bibi e koso yi. O ye reforms no. Baya sikase mu guro.
Amen.
Sector na ye kama ene Ghana re. Ope bo sha na de ama o. Esi hu fie bi sa no manum. Bibia ye kama. Banking sector reforms.
Baya so maya de o hu.
Yeah,
we ma CEOs.
Yeah.
Adekye staff on your bar.
E ma mi free my your bar. Yeah, domo.
I'm chief of staff.
My black star list.
Black
star. Authentic.
Authentic.
Original one.
Original one.
When you are into no. General the any they say.
Oh, no, the bar na juno. The bar Monday. No. And then authentic. We are official one.
Okay.
And one na juno buy. I could see up the 29-man squad.
Monday they quite the 30.
Yeah. We almost control.
Okay.
I could see up the 29.
To win it because they are
if you go see up your 100 to buy. Also, now I think
now you general coach you.
Oh, you need general.
See any general coach, then you see any general captain. Any general supporter.
Why gonna do?
Because now no come say ya boss no. Yeah, say Uncle go see up here coach. And his excellency President Kufuor ye general coach. And the day captain. And Samoa ye general captain say then we all Ghanaians are general supporters. It is a new general. Okay, so now we are all supporters.
The most important is I say it me asumdwesi camp and san ya tournament and yes a bad disaster.
But now me bisa me say after sa letter no ni na football president football na why say okọ camper. Ades na aka no so send no mbesi age no enti wo sha sa anka bom ni odo na ye eno na me bisa me honra.
No grade e bako blaster as a majan wo mo a ono mo ye close.
Okay.
And ebim so mo no we close. And you be an obi an pass but new players be mabim.
Okay.
And they be all players on wom no industry and for
okay.
And now for a woman.
Oh, and now for no crowd, but say you know you what team.
Yeah.
Now he say me ko weja ya frefro ya fro ya crocro and ya masaya ba. Afofo no so.
Ebi wo muso no support
jam. Support
yeah. Ebi support no.
We should look forward to it NJ Beba camp.
How mo na say psychologist or what team no otimi ebojuma. Otimi hwe psyche players ni nyina no mu nyina adwene ye baako no mo fa asomdwe emmo enye sa ebe hatim no.
Okay.
And I'm penny for me you say for now in penny for no makasa.
Okay.
O man penny e kasa dia say bibia to anti. Me sure say boys are and players are kwa
question more. My age men you sure because you never can tell. You can't show me say strong say. Obi any ha che. And me kosa kuseshe mitimu fie because man penny be kasa be kan but me kosa kuseshe mitimu ana ha cha na say ha cha ne say me yaw ma benedi ana mabufuo no me nkasa na hyemi mu na nso yeduru wa e ko ne ebe
because
obi anyi ne ha che ene me kosa kuseshe mitim ento ho na say yenko yenim de asi no yamani ntwam na de aka ye momo ba but ya te se metete se opani nya wuta makro se asamo ansan aba no ge be se Ghana cha what it be ana nkofo na e ka che na
ono na wache na ono na dwene ono nkwa na dwene enye Ghana fo nyina dwene o se obia wona dwene o obia wona dwene enti asamo jan wo ba no obi feel say eye obi so feel say enye obi feel say the ntokwa eba obi feel say
e de nkabo beba
aha nti obi a che na
dwenti ono na ya adwen timi nkobe nko
to and for sure
but edu baby na majority adwen no na ya na
ene here but ono ye interviews kakra fi Kumasi mega say about 99% there obi ani age say asamoja na ide asaba.
Why do I have the feeling that we a baby jet forever and for life?
So I am my captain, Black Stars.
Baby Romeo.
Support to Black Stars.
Romeo.
Baby jet. Oh yeah, say support to Black
Stars. So I can baby face. See baby jet because said there will be a year voice pop we out to me jam 99.
I am not me voice pop no.
Out to me 99.
What's what hear the script
Opoku Junior Kumasi. Well, Hello FM, UTV. And to honor yeah, voice pop and free Kumasi by.
Say men can choose what prepare breakfast. Oh, I know the asempa never visit.
That be also
prepare breakfast.
Whoa, Sata Bobine, they are two. Sa enyum to form you. So
boy, was
Minya get fan two.
So one suban pedi.
Suba pedi keke eno pe.
Eno ya.
Eno minya operation.
And you fan in Sanka na fan ko ko
Oh,
that be no credit.
And baby Romeo. Baby Romeo shatter Romeo.
I'm not going to super you know.
Oh, Bradley, Brian Paul.
Shatter Romeo.
Oh, okay, it was your sponsor Emma Ghana for another president Dicano. Yemfa Emma this way chocolate drink or do here no and one any so share sounds on special ice and a special drinks nina or more airboy chidomino penny the sponsor no at the Emma Ghana for the James Akosiapia the 29 months squad or to me at the Piedra na say and at goalkeepers near me as Marisbeck one more goalkeeper Richard Ofori or no and Penifo Atonsa at their friend is Brantiano or more ball playoff the Dinding Enra or more Edim Kunimity or more atopi a group no or more FS or more encore relegation to Richard Ofori I don't know our Marisbeck United or South Africa or no Ding PMO AB Lawrence Atizigi or no so our social our France League Animum the Ding PMO Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotokomu goalkeeper Felix Anna one also Ding PMO Ding Abrantiano our form pa Felix Anna Wemo and the 3 goalkeepers James Akosiapia Atonsa at the Afro your co-defenders na John Boy our ment and also our France the Ding PMO Andy Yadom our Reading our United Kingdom and also Ding PMO Abdul Baba Rahman our Rennes and so our France and also Ding PMO Lumo Agbenyanu and also Ding PMO Ding Osaka our Turkey Gustepe and also Ding PMO Kasim Nuru and our Offingham Germany very tall defender ono shooting Epiomo Jonathan Mensah ono Esiakan ewo Columbus Crew United States of America ono shooting Epiomo Joseph Edu ono ewo Genk ewo Belgium leading Epiomo ding Nuru Musa ono so ewo Saint Gallen ewo Switzerland ono shooting Epiomo Joseph Atama ono ewo Bakishas ono so ewo Turkey leading Epiomo ding Mohamed Al-Hassan, a very fantastic defender. On also Asia Kama Accra House of Work. On also doing Epiomo and the defenders, James Akosiapia Atonsa at the from Yepim. A young midfielders now Mubarak Wakasu, one of our Deportivo Alaves, our Spain. Ono so edin ewo mutindin Thomas Tepate ono ewo Atletico Madrid so far Ghana your best player and Thomas Tepate ni din epiem mutindin Kodwa Samoa another great player Emma Black Stars Inter Milan ana International Milan ono so din epiem Ebenezer Ofori ono ewo New York FC ewo United States of America ni din epiem Efie Aqua ono so ewo Empoli ewo Italy ono so din epiem mutindin Andre Dede Ayu ewo Fenerbahce ono so ewo Turkey the din epiem Christian Achu of Newcastle United ewo England ono so din epiem Samuel Owusu and so ewo Kubariki ewo Serbia ono so din epiem din Thomas Ejapon and so ewo Scotland ono so din epiem Yayabua ewo Spain Numancia the din epiem Abdul Fatau of Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko isia de NC special competition ono and to 29 Emma Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko modimbo aso so need James Akosiapia atonsa e de afreno ye call strikers now Asamoah Jan captain Emma Black Stars ono so din apiemu ono esiakan e woteki Kisara Sport ni din apiemu de Jordan Ayew of Crystal Palace ono so din apiemu Chelsea ampa omunyina modern so ni Abdul Majid Waris ne din apiemu ono e Nantes e France and Caleb Ekuban about 2 matches Emma Black Stars was here 2 goals. Actually, say the modern born showing into Akushapia Atonsa a different Kwabena Owusu one Esiakan Emma Lehanes was Spain into Wemo and a 29-man squad James Akushapia Atonsa Eddie Afromo Yame Ayaduma on the 1st of June team no AFL my Ghana Akopiemu a year Dubai one more preparation ground and pen for the Mantebe and so and Sudin Egunkrata so more Ebeka team no team ako head coach coach David Duncan ono scout Sansona Didier Masoud Didi ono so the scout Selas Tete enso scout Patrick Ofori psychologist omunyina Babeka team no Samuel Kwame Amankwa ono so din epiemu ono Mazua ono so din epiemu and Jeremiah Lupia ono video and match analyst ono so din epiemu and Simon Copley ono physical trainer enti wemo ane mpenfo enso mpenfo de omudin agun krata se team no ekwa womo ane omo ane ekọ enti mo hye no so nyame aduma on the first and a team no AFL my Ghana akopiemu awo Dubai ho and omo ekọ ya husie report no chese 2 friendly matches baso nyame aduma ebia Black Stars womo ane South Africa ebebo ansana womo akopiemu Egypt nyina ayahusiesi team no the aircall AFCON tournament baso Egypt and we any ensema if the camp of the Black Stars the Emma Ghana for any anope afie kopiemu former under 17 national coach Brantan Urandi the Parkosi Fabian kopiemu Uganda enra empenifo ensema womo kan so mo atenase amaisia de obia agiatum enti contractor woni Uganda association womo atwemu nyina ene se empenifo to sa de frɛ no so mefa Uganda under 17 and under 20 wodomo ekopiemu AFCON tournament baso Tanzania the modern bono antimi eso eni de ema Uganda womo ebo modern pa was tournament ni mu nanso Parkosi Fabian pache se ne hu kani hu emfa no enti obetina Uganda season no aba na wie de e no baba Ghana enti oni mpenifo atena se amomo nyina agya automati contract no omo atwam Parkosi Fabian wono abepiemu wo my Ghana enyo no kwa ne bae woni ne physical trainer Nana say wo munyina enso ababepiemu wo my Ghana enti Uganda adwuma wo edema no as head coach ema under 17 no wo wie man penfo atwa ne contract mu ne nyina asumdwe kwan so enti Parkosi Fabian asa abepiemu wo my Ghana wo bebodwuma de ama ne man enti bebia ebepiemu every the camp of Parkosi Fabian UTV Sports ya de ho ansam no ebema Ghana fo nyina boxing Nigeria and Brantan de Isaac Dogbe ekodi nkuko ewo Navarrete ensano bono we back to back defeat Isaac Dogbe wono etimi enya na ensema ban HSA obia enya yanka wa retire every boxing mo na UTV Sports ene oranidi ade Michael ni Anna wono boxing promoter ene ekodi nkomo pachese Brantan Isaac Dogbe and say or retire no mum one day GDP say so change and the backroom staff and the corner or changing the coach or GD say and check obesa aji another world title at the amount of my Ghana.
I don't get it why Obi Bedrin said Isaac Dogbe should retire. Or you're too young to retire, that is one. Two, I don't think he's fighting at his comfortable weight. Three, I don't think he's not capable, but very capable. What he lacks is a trainer, a qualified trainer. The truth must be said, the father is not a qualified trainer. You shall fight now. I predicted, there was no way Obebu Navarrete, or call him to the bout with the same style. No defense. Right? No defense. Undi Obi Kwani reach more richer than you, you have to fight him more closer. But fighting somebody closer also, then you need to have a defense, because or no bad movie, whatever it is, or bad movie, you have to be prepared for surprises and stamina-wise and everything. I think, the boy needs to shift a bit away from the father. Emmanuel, a good trainer, move to the featherweight, and he will be a champion again.